Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here we are in the middle of August, which means that back to school is just around the corner, and I have been doing a lot of shopping and preparation. I picked up quite a few things at my favorite retailers, including Banana Republic Factory. It's one of my favorite places, and recently they have just released their new early fall collection, which I have really been loving. So for this video, I have decided to put together 15 outfits for all of my teacher friends out there for back to school to get you ready for the classroom. So let's get started. Okay, first up I want to talk about this shirt dress. So it is really a very classic piece. It has all of the styling of a regular shirt dress, but it also is a little bit special because it actually is silky. So while most shirt dresses will be made out of cotton or poplin, this one is nice and smooth and silky. It is a maxi, so it goes all the way down to just above the ankles. I'm 5'5" for reference, and that is where it hits me. It has a shirt tail hem for a little extra style, and I really like the cuffs on this one. They are fold back cuffs, so you have the two buttons, and then you can fold back the cuff or push the sleeves up. You can button it all the way to the top or open. It does not have a lining, and it also does not come with a belt, so you definitely want to add your own belt for this one. So I have had my Ferragamo belt and some nude heels, and I think this is a perfect outfit for the first day back to school. It's easy to wear, it's professional, and it looks like you really mean business. Next up, we have some cargo pants. So these are high-waist linen blend cargo pants. So if you're looking to go a little less dressy, a little more casual, these would be perfect. They come in quite a few different colors. I picked them up in this beautiful cream color, and they are a linen blend, so they're comfortable, but at the same time they're not going to wrinkle too much. So really pretty classic styling, except for the ankle. So they have done this little tuck on the ankle, which is very cute, a little bit more fashion forward, and it kind of reminds me of joggers. They're a very comfortable pair of pants. They do run slightly large, so if you're between sizes, I would definitely recommend going down to the smaller size, but they're roomy and comfortable, and I have paired them with this blouse that I'm wearing right here. So this is called the ruffle neck blouse. It has this stand collar with a little tie. You can tie it in a bow if you want to. You can tie it just in a knot. I prefer to keep it open. But the sleeves on this are nice and full, and you can push your sleeves up, roll them up, whatever you need to do. It is a pullover style. It does come in a couple different solid colors, but I opted for the print because I feel like I need more prints in my life, and together with the cargo pants, I think it makes a really nice, understated, a little less fancy outfit. Put some beige sandals on and you are good to go. Next up is this amazing blouse. You might have seen this in my last video. I love this thing. So it is from a brand called Gracia. It's available in a couple of places. I picked mine up on Amazon, but what I love about this blouse is it has this really unique kind of feature where they have taken pieces of like netted fabric and sewn it onto the main fabric in the shape of flowers. So it looks absolutely beautiful and has texture as well. Pretty little puff sleeve. It's got elastics on the sleeves too, so it's really comfortable. And then the collar, of course, is absolutely unique. I don't think I've ever seen a collar like this before. So you can pair this with any simple pair of black pants. Of course, I went with my standard editor pants, which I absolutely love, from Express. And I feel like the blouse makes such a statement that you really don't need anything else, maybe a belt, maybe some pumps, and you are ready to go. But I love this look. Next up is a piece that I have spoken about before on my channel. Last time I checked, there was still some availability for this. This is the linen blend long skirt. And if you cannot find your size, or if they happen to sell out, then there is another linen blend skirt on the website that's very, very similar. It is a little fuller. It does not have the buttons and the slit in the front, but it is the same basic vibe. So I liked this piece because it is good for those transition days when, you know, sometimes it's really hot in August and September and sometimes it's not so much, but if it's on one of the warmer days, you can definitely wear this with just a simple v-neck t-shirt like I have done here. This t-shirt comes in other colors. I don't know if the green is available, but I will link the things that are available down below. But it's a real easy outfit, and you just pair it with some heels and you are ready to go. Again, we're looking for comfort and style with these outfits, and I thought this one fit the bill. Next up is a pair of jeans. So depending on your dress code, you may or may not be able to wear jeans to work. I usually have to limit them to like a dress down day or some sort of you know, special spirit day or something like that. But I wanted to include them because I love these jeans. They are, again, from Banana Republic. They are called the Girlfriend jeans, and they have a mid-rise. They have a little bit more room in the hip and thigh, so they're a little bit roomier. They are a straight leg. They they are cuffed at the bottom, and they have a tiny bit of stretch to them. So the finish on these, it comes in a couple simple finishes, very soft, very comfortable, not those rigid types of denims that have been selling recently. And I feel like these are were custom made for me. I went with my regular size on this, so these are a 26. They fit absolutely perfectly, so comfortable, and you can put them on with any sort of blouse you may have. I just pulled one from my closet, which is an old white blouse that I had, and some Coach sneakers, and I thought this would be perfect for a dress down day. Next up are the editor pants again with this jacket. This is a faux suede jacket. I love the color on this. It is kind of like a mossy green, tending more towards darker rather than olive, but really a beautiful color. I don't know how it's going to show up on camera, but in person it is definitely a moss green, and it is faux suede, but it's not like a PVC. It's actually a microfiber, so it's a fabric that you can wash quite easily, and it's very comfortable, and it is a cropped jacket as well. Nice buttons with a hidden placket right there, and some pockets too that even have a button. I don't know that I would ever use those pockets, but if you wanted to, of course, you can close and secure the pocket with the button. And a little bit of shaping available in the back. You can, you can tighten the buttons if you want to make it a little bit more streamlined, but a beautiful piece, great for those days where maybe it is a little bit cooler in the morning, and pairing it up with a simple blouse and some black pants, and you are good to go. Okay, this is a very fun piece. I have to say that if I had seen this in the store without actually seeing it on the website, I probably would have just passed it by because it does look a little bit peculiar. It kind of reminds me of a poncho without the sleeves, if that makes sense, but it's really a tunic sweater. It's like open on the sides, and it has these little straps here to secure it, and a big turtleneck collar, but I loved it. I thought it was a really unique piece. It comes in a few different colors. I picked up blue because I love blue. So here I've paired it with the cargo pants and a simple white t-shirt. Everybody has a white t-shirt in their closet. And I just thought it was such a fun outfit. Put on some chunky loafers and it looks fun. It's comfortable. You've got that little extra layer for warmth, and I really thought this one was a standout. So I would try to size up on this one. I normally would wear an extra small, but I found the extra small to be just a little bit too short and tight unless you want to go for that look, and I wanted it to look a little bit looser, so I went for the small on that. Okay, the next look is the shirt dress. Once again, this time I've switched out the accessories and paired it with the green faux suede blazer. This color combination is fantastic. I love it. I put on a big Obi style belt that I've had quite a few years now from, I believe that one's from White House Black Market. I don't know if those are available anymore, but you can definitely find a really nice brown kind of belt. You may have one in your closet already, and then I just paired it with some pumps, and I thought the whole outfit looked really polished and very nice. Okay, back to the linen skirt now, and I have paired it with this blouse. I thought that the white in the blouse was going to be picked up perfectly with the skirt, and I think that, again, this is another outfit that you can transition. If you need to put a sweater over it, you can. If your classroom is warm or your building is warm, the blouse is nice and lightweight, and the whole outfit is just really easy, and it just looks very polished in my opinion. Okay, now we're taking a look at the jeans again. This time I've paired it with the suede jacket. So top wise, you can go for a t-shirt, you can go for a white blouse, and then pop on some chunky heels, like some lug sole sandals, not sandals, lug sole loafers, which are kind of all the rage. Lately, I've been seeing them everywhere, but I just love this green suede jacket. I think it's so comfortable. Throw it over your shoulders, or, you know, wear it with the sleeves pushed up in the classroom. Back to the editor pants now, and I have paired this blouse once again with that tunic sweater, and I think it looks so cool. So it gives a completely different vibe to the pants. Again, we're going a little less fancy here, and those lug sole loafers once again really make the outfit. Another option for the shirt dress is to pick up the little black stripe that is blended in there with the camel and the cream, and so I went ahead and got an old blazer from my closet. This is a theory blazer. You can, I'm sure, find a black blazer easily anywhere. Switched out my belt for a black Ferragamo belt, and then put on some black pumps, and I think the beige and the black, it's one of my favorite color combinations, and this is a very professional look. So if you have to make some sort of presentation, or you're going to some sort of a seminar and you want to really make an impression, I think this is a great option. Okay, back to the cargos, a little bit more relaxed this time, and of course you can pair it with your faux suede jacket, and instead of a chunky heel this time I went with more of a streamlined pump, because I feel like you can easily dress up these cargos with a simpler shoe, a more streamlined shoe, and make it just a little bit more professional. Again, another very, very comfortable look here. Taking one more look at the jeans, this time I have dressed it up completely with the Gracia blouse, put on a nice belt, put the blazer on, and you are good to go with some heels as well. So the only thing that might stop you from wearing this outfit is maybe you can't wear jeans to work, but if you can, you are lucky, because this is going to be such a standout look, as well as being super comfortable, because like I said, those jeans are fantastic. I absolutely love them. I think I should get them in more pairs. They really, really are comfortable. And my last look today is a little bit of a wild card. I have taken the dress, opened it up, and put it on as a duster. So the editor pants with a simple black t-shirt and a belt, and that dress pulled over it looks like a duster. It's really comfortable, but at the same time it elevates your look and gives you a little bit more presence. And again, if you are freezing in the air conditioning, this little extra layer is going to keep you nice and warm. I know I talk a lot about freezing, but when you work in a building that the air conditioning blows nonstop, it can be rather daunting. So that is it for my 15 outfits for back to school. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found some inspiration for getting back in the classroom there. If you have any comments or questions, do leave them down below. I will link everything that is brand new here, and anything that is available that were other options, like the blazer or the t-shirt or the shoes. So do check those links out down below, and you can also follow me on Like to Know It app at Meet Penelope. That is another place to find all of my favorite shopping links. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do give me a thumbs up if you did like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Take care.